Internet is partially free in Azerbaijan. Despite the absence of the high incidence of blocking and filtering the websites, there is a criminal prosecution of Internet users for opinions expressed in the network, giving rise to self-censorship. This is stated in the original version of the report, Searching for Freedom Online Expression in Azerbaijan, worked out by the Expression Online Initiative campaign, which is conducted by the Institute for Reporters' Freedom and Safety, Human Rights Club, and Azerbaijan Media Center with support from IMS, Net, Soros Foundation, and the International Partnership Group for Azerbaijan. As reported by IRFS Chair Emin Husseinov, a report is being prepared for the upcoming Internet Governance Forum, which is to be held in Baku this November. On November the 5th, the Expression Online Initiative campaign will hold a pre-event in Baku with the participation of OSCE representative on freedom of the media Dunya Mijatovic, the UN Special Rapporteur on freedom of opinion and expression Frank LaRue, and other international experts. The comments and suggestions from civil society organizations and experts made during the debate will be included in the final document that will be released late October. The report comprehensively studies the problems of Internet in Azerbaijan, including the legal framework, technical conditions, the state of freedom of expression, etc. The director of Media Rights Institute, Rashid Hajili, investigated Internet legal issues. According to him, there are no special laws regulating Internet content. Thus, Internet is governed by the laws on media terrorism, cybercrime, and child pornography. There are gaps in the law concerning liability of Internet service providers, and there is no clear mechanism for blocking and filtering of content. As a result, providers may, by administrative guidance and without a court order, to restrict access to websites and introduce other restrictions. One of the authors of the report, Bakhtiar Hajiev, focused on law e-government implementation, problems in obtaining .az domain, etc. International experts also played their part in the report. According to Rebecca Vincent of Article the 19th, Azerbaijan, as a member of international treaties guaranteeing freedom of expression, should ensure Internet freedom. However, there are facts about the persecution of citizens for expressing critical views online. Therefore, the report has recommendations to stop such incidents. Head of the Human Rights Club Rasul Jafarov said the report demands the release of the arrested cyber dissidents, including human rights defender Talya Khasmambadov, Azadkhabar.org website editor Nijat Aliyev, Real TV employees Vigar Gonagov and Zaur Guliev, and Faramaz Allahverdiev. The report also urges the Azerbaijani government to terminate criminal charges against IRFS reporter Mehman Husseinov and blogger Elnur Majidli, and calls on to investigate the breach of privacy of Radio Liberty correspondent Khadija Ismailova. Summing up the discussion, IMS program manager Gulnara Akhandova said that the report puts forward recommendations to ensure freedom and quality of Internet in Azerbaijan. Akundova proposed to set up an independent body of civil society representatives and experts to regulate information and communication technologies.